What if I told you your car could look showroom new with just one product? In 2025, car wax technology has taken shine and protection to a whole new level, and we found the 5 that truly stand out. Welcome back to Top Home Finds, where we bring you the best products and honest reviews to make your life easier, and in this case, a lot shinier. Today, we're counting down the 5 best car waxes you need to try in 2025. Whether you're protecting a brand new ride or bringing an old favorite back to life, these picks deliver unmatched gloss, durability, and paint protection. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Top Home Finds. Your support keeps us going and helps us bring you more trusted recommendations every week. Let's get into it and get your car shining like never before. First up is the Meguiar's Quik Wax. Here are some advantages of Meguiar's Quik Wax. Fast and easy application. Delivers a deep, glossy shine in just minutes with a simple spray-on, wipe-off process, even in direct sunlight. Hydrophobic polymer technology. Provides long-lasting water-beating protection that helps repel rain and moisture effectively. Safe for all surfaces. Clear coat safe and non-whitening formula makes it suitable for all paint types, trim, and even glass. Enhanced sprayer design features a fine mist sprayer for even coverage and smooth application with minimal effort. Next up is the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Here are some advantages of Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Deep, glossy finish. Delivers a rich, wet look shine that enhances paint depth and color vibrancy with a buttery, smooth application. Natural carnauba protection made with refined Brazilian carnauba wax to shield against UV rays and environmental contaminants. Quick and easy use. Wipe on, wipe off formula allows fast application and removal, ideal for beginners and pros alike. Multi-surface compatibility. Safe for use on paint, glass, metal, and even headlights, offering versatile protection across vehicle surfaces. Next up is the Collinite number 476 Super Double Coat Auto Wax. Here are some advantages of Collinite number 476 Super Double Coat Auto Wax. Exceptional durability. Offers long-lasting protection for up to 7 to 10 months, resisting UV rays, rain, snow, salt, and other harsh elements. High gloss finish. Delivers a deep, rich shine that enhances paint clarity and gives a freshly detailed, wet look appearance. All-season performance. Ideal for winter and extreme conditions, making it a reliable choice for year-round protection. Versatile application. Safe for use on paint, metal, glass, and trim, with a carnauba polymer blend that bonds well and buffs off with minimal effort. Next up is the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax. Here are some advantages of Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax. Advanced SiO2 hybrid technology. Combines ceramic protection with the traditional wax ease, forming a durable, slick barrier against environmental elements. Extreme water behavior. Delivers superior water sheeting and beading, helping paint stay cleaner and protected longer. Effortless application. Applies and removes as easily as conventional liquid wax, with no whitening on trim or rubber surfaces. Versatile surface compatibility. Safe for use on paint, chrome, plastic trim, and can be layered over other waxes or sealants. And fifth, we have Turtle Wax Hybrid Graphene Paste Wax. Here are some advantages of Turtle Wax Hybrid Graphene Paste Wax. Advanced ceramic plus graphene formula combines SiO2 and graphene for a highly durable, heat-resistant shield against UV rays and contaminants. Extreme gloss and slickness. Produces a deep, wet look shine with intense water beading and enhanced color depth. Long-lasting protection. Creates a tight hydrophobic layer that lasts for months, reducing the need for frequent waxing. Effortless application. Smooth paste texture spreads easily and buffs off cleanly, even under direct sunlight. Thank you so much for watching 5 best car waxes you need to try in 2025. We truly hope this guide helps you choose the perfect wax to protect your paint and keep your car looking stunning all year long. If you enjoyed this video, Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Top Home Finds for more honest reviews and recommendations you can trust. Wishing you shiny rides, safe travels, and all the very best in the year ahead. Until next time, take care and keep that car looking flawless.